How to find the Google Business Profile ID. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to find your Google Business Profile ID, first of all, you need to log into your Google Business Profile Manager. For this, open any of your preferred browser, log in with the Google account that you manage your business with. Once that is done, in the URL, you will see your ID. However, if you cannot find from the URL itself, another way is through your manager's account. Once that is done, tap on these three dots next to your profile and you will see the option of Business Profile Settings. From Business Profile Settings, you will see different options again. Tap on Advanced Settings and there you go. Your Business Profile ID has been mentioned there. Now you can just copy the ID and use it wherever you like to. Similarly, the option to find your business profile ID is through the Google Maps itself. From there as well, you can copy the link of your business listing and you'll find your ID. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.